say 5, 6, 7, 8. Pussycat Show, Pussycat Show. Everybody loves this Pussycat Show. Pussy, 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 pussy. P-U-S-S-Y. Why? Because we don't bullshit.
Hello, boys and girls.
Hello.
Welcome back to the Pussycat Show. We are coming to you semi-live from, what is this called? Bryant Park, I think.
Ah, yes, Bryant Park.
What happened today?
Well, we just missed the performance of Broadway in Bryant Park.
Bull. I can't believe it. We get here, everything is gone.
I know.
It's late. It's like when I go to the restaurant and they're throwing out the trash. Actually, I enjoyed that part.
Well, yeah, because you go and eat all the dirty stuff.
That's right. I like leftovers. Anybody got a couch I can surf on? I love couch surfing. Oh, sorry. That was my old voice.
It's a little descriptive, don't you think?
All right, move on with the show. We heard from we were approaching some very interesting singing from things like Les Miserables. We heard that, yes? Oh, that was beautiful.
And we heard some stuff from the Wonderettes. You know, the song that goes, Mr. Sandman,
hey, I think
put
you're
me
too close to the
sleep.
camera. You're too close to the camera. Stay there, okay. Yes, I love that. My mama used to sing that to me back in Ukraine. Mr. Catman, meow me a dream, meow meow meow. It was.
You had a f***ed up life, didn't you?
Hey, you don't talk about my mama. You know I'm going to miss you, Uni.
I'm going to miss you too.
You know why we're going to miss each other? Because I am only visiting New York. I'm going to be leaving tonight.
Tonight?
Well, but you know what this means, right?
What?
We're going on the road.
On the road!
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again.
Get back from the TV.
Okay.
Yes, so we were going to be filming. I'm going to Miami of the Florida. Yes, and you are staying here, yes?
Yes, I'm staying here. I'm not going to Miami.
He is not coming to Miami. But we will be filming in two places and bringing you semi-live TV show.
Oh, yeah!
I like that when you do that. It makes me all fuzzy and warm inside.
Can I do it again?
Do it again.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, say goodbye to the boys and girls.
Bye!
Don't grow up. Bye-bye now. Hello, this is a very special edition because we were here trying to watch Broadway in Bryant Park and we ran into this new friend. What is your name, friend?
Kathy.
Kathy!
Kathy!
Everyone say, hello, Kathy.
Hello, Kathy!
Amazing. I can speak to people over the internet. It's amazing to me all the time.
Oh, yeah, you meet tons of people on the internet.
Anyway, so Kathy was telling us some very interesting information. We too, remember, we want to be performers. And Kathy really is a performer. She's going to be, where is this place?
Don't tell mamas.
I'm not so good at reading. Just kidding. Don't tell mama.
It's only because he's a kitty.
Yes.
Bring the paper for me.
There we go.
Ah.
So you want to be at this place on July the 27th. Because you know why? Kathy will be performing. Drop this thing. Don't cover me. This is my show. I like your laughter. I let it slide this time.
Thank you so much.
So tell me, what kind of things will you be singing there, Kathy?
I'll be singing I
I know that song.
love New York.
Oh, there's more to it. Sorry.
Yes.
I love you more.
I sing a little.
Love you more. Is this the song? Yes. Oh, I love his snuggle.
Hey, that's not fair. Why do you pet him and not me?
It's because your horn is very sharp. You thought I was going to say something else. I am very sneaky that way.
Oh, I'm sorry about him. He does that a
All
lot.
right, Kathy. So again, one more time. Where and when?
Don't tell mamas. Wednesday night.
July 27th. What
That's
time?
it.
What time?
7 o'clock.
7 p.m. Don't be there in the morning. They're closed, you stupid.
You need to be there or
Everyone
you're
say-
a square.
Okay, say goodbye, Kathy.
Bye.
Bye.
You're very clever. Oh, yes.